Hi guys, let's pack an order with me. So the customer ordered a Maya zip up and a Maya tank. First I get the zip up from the rack, pick out the Maya shirt, fold the zip up into a square so it fits in the package. Then I use pink ribbon to match the tank, fold the tank into a little taco roll, tie a little knot, pick out my bag, shove everything in, some stickers, business card, and a secret coupon. Make sure the label's ready to print, and then stick it onto the bag, and now it's all ready to go. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Charlie and this is my mum Janine and we own Dolly's Desserts. Yes, this is Dolly's. We're not this massive franchise that everyone seems to think we are. Nope. It's just this small little stall. It's me and my mum and 4 of the staff members. We sell and make our own gelato. We also make our own crepe and waffle mix and brownies and stuff. So if you have a sweet tooth like me and you absolutely love desserts, then make sure to follow us because, you know, I show you how we make our desserts and how you can make them at home.
So last night I made pull float bath bombs, and that is what I am shrink wrapping here. This is the National Shrink Wrap System, and I individually shrink wrap each bath bomb just to ensure, you know, sanitation and make sure it doesn't crumble, especially during shipping. So here I just lay out the bath bombs in the sheet of plastic. It has a bottom and a top to it. I lay the bath bomb in there, and then I go through with this wonderful cutter, and it heats up the plastic. It cuts it evenly and clean, and then I go through with our heat gun and I shrink wrap each individual one just for a nice tight fit. That way it's not bouncing around in there. And of course I flip them over to the back to make sure that they're nice and tight back there. And then we finish each one off with a sticker, and these went in the subscription boxes for this month.
Absolutely right, sir. Anime bitches, I look at her titties, then I take her home and we count up these 50s. I come to your city, I sneak in your chimney, I tickle her kidney, and then I watch Disney. I love me.
Alright, we are going for round 2 of hand painting a Bible cover. This is a fully custom order, and as you can see, I pulled up the customer's digital sketch on my iPad. This customer chose a sage background with some blush, orange, and white florals. A lot of you guys asked in the last video where I get the solid colored Bibles, and actually we buy them with designs on them and just paint over them with a solid color background. Also, a big thanks to all of our new followers. We are already at 10,000. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway to celebrate. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be down for that. A few other questions I got was what brush and paint do I use? And I always say you don't need expensive materials to create beautiful art. I just buy all my materials from your basic craft stores like Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Paintbrush is from a value pack of round tip brushes, and the paint is acrylics. Tip, use a little bit of water to thin it out a bit. Anyways, I hope that answers some of your questions. Like for round 3.
I have my own business check. This is my most popular product. This is my favorite product. This is one of my most expensive products. This is my most affordable product.
Alright, check it out. So I ended up on your For You page, which means you like art or you're an artist. I just wanted to show you my work. Look at the detail. I spent many hours on this. I just hope I get one like, a couple of comments, maybe a share even. That would be dope.
So this is one of my favorite stories about my dad. When I was 16, I slept over at my bestie's house. It snowed like 4 feet overnight. But when I woke up in the morning, my car was completely clear. And that's because my dad woke up early, drove over, wiped the snow off my car, and then he went back home. He didn't even tell me, he didn't even mention it or bring it up, he just did it. Love you so much, Dad.
Hey guys, this is for the small business owners. I haven't seen somebody do this yet, so print out a map of the US and make a list of all the states that you've sent orders to. Pick out some colors that match your brand, here's mine, and fill in the states that you've sent packages to. Here's my map. Use this sound to show us all the states that you've sent orders to.
Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick little packaging video. So here I'm using a stamp from rubberstamps.com. I love it. I just got it. Here I'm doing a quality check as I do with all my orders and wrapping it in tissue paper, which I buy in bulk from Amazon. Always buy in bulk. Trust me, you save a lot of money. And then I'm going to put a little sticker that I printed using my printer in Avery Labels. And then right next to that, I'm going to put some crinkle paper that I also bought in bulk from Amazon. Now I'm going to put in some earrings. So I got these cards from Vistaprint. Same thing, the more you buy, the bigger deals they give you, and they give you a coupon with every order, so you always save. With every order, I do put in a thank you note. Put a little note, and then I also put in a scratch reveal card, which I made. It gives you a little coupon once you scratch it. And then I'm going to close it off with some shipping tape I got from Sticker Wheel.
Hi, so I just want to show you guys something weird. I make planters out of these mini basketballs. This is me cutting them up, getting them ready to be shipped. But for some reason, every time I get to the orange basketball, this is the top part of the orange, when you lift the flap of the inside, you can kind of see what, I don't even know what that is, but this is not the first time this has happened to me, and it's pretty cool.
Over the past year, I've added over 100 new sticker designs to my Etsy shop. And during that process, I ran into a problem of storing all of the extra stickers I keep on hand. I started with this cabinet and thought it would be enough, but then I had to expand into this container I keep under my bed. And recently, I even had to start storing all the extra stickers I have in my closet. I have over 20,000 stickers now, and I'm worried I'm gonna run out of room again.
Let's pack up a dinosaur crayon set.
This person ordered them to be in rainbow order, so I'm just arranging them in the box like that. This is one of my favorite things that we sell besides the names because I think they're really cute.